Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Now today's video, I'm going to be basically showing you guys how to get free Microsoft rewards points. This is going to get you 100,000 points in your Microsoft rewards account, and it uses a simple redeemable code, and it takes around 5 to 10 minutes for you to get your very own Microsoft rewards points code. It's pretty easy, but I am going to be recording a tutorial on my mobile phone and showing you how to do it, so just make sure you follow along. I'm going to be putting the screen here, so let's get into it. Okay guys, so you can see you need to open up an internet browser on your mobile phone, and you have to go to this website, guys. Make sure you type it exactly how I'm going to be typing it here: www.topdogcodes.com. So pause the video, make sure you type it exactly how I did there: Top Dog Codes. Now this website is pretty awesome. I found them a few months ago and they've already saved me almost $1,000, if not more, across various different things. But if you hit that search bar and search for Microsoft, it's going to pop up free Microsoft rewards points. So click on that page and scroll down. Now you can see you can also get a gift card if you wish. Obviously this video I'm focusing on the rewards points. So click on show code, and this is going to pop up here, guys. As you can see, it says 100,000 free Microsoft rewards points, and basically we need to unlock our code. Now this code can be redeemed in the Microsoft website, and it's going to credit you the 100,000 points. So how do we get the code? We need to press unlock code. Now there is a short process on the next screen. Basically this just prevents robots from stealing the codes, so we need to verify ourselves. Now you're going to see this screen here, which is completely normal. Basically guys, we need to complete 2 tasks on this screen to unlock our Microsoft rewards points code. So you can see on my screen here, I have a list of tasks that are all completely free. And there is also a description below each of the tasks telling you how to complete them. So you can see I've got a list of different things, such as downloading and playing free games, to answering some questionnaires, and having to input a valid email address. So you just have to select any 2. So for example, this one here says 750 into your PayPal account, enter your email and complete the steps. So this one is a free survey, which I find pretty easy. You just have to answer some questions, and then it's going to ask you to confirm your email. So that one's pretty easy. Alternatively, you can play and download and play free games. Like this one at the top says download then complete level 8. So you would click on it, and it will take you to the App Store to download that specific game, and then you have to just follow the instructions. So it said complete level 8. So let me do both of those tasks and then I'll come back. Okay guys, so that took me around 5 to 10 minutes, probably more like 10 minutes. So I just basically did those 2 tasks that I showed you a minute ago. So I downloaded this Family Island game and I had to play it until I completed level 8. That was quite a fun game, so I didn't mind doing that one. And then I just finished off that questionnaire and input my valid and correct email. If you choose to do a survey, you need to make sure you put in your correct email address, because it obviously does verify you as a real person. So now I've done those, I'm going to press my tabs button, and if you've followed all of the instructions and completed those 2 tasks, you should see this Microsoft Rewards tab down here, that when you open it up, it will now reveal your Microsoft Rewards points code. And I can then copy this, and I'm going to be redeeming this in a minute, and it's going to credit me 100,000 free points in my account. And that is it guys. This is definitely the easiest method. Go ahead and follow the instructions in this video. Go to topdogcodes.com and get your free Microsoft rewards points. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you successfully got your points, go ahead and smash that like button. Let's see if we can get 100 likes on this video.